Society plays good role to develop our government schools. As a responsible teacher to mobilize the society, I maintained the good relation among the parents, teachers, villagers and colleagues. Infrastructure is very important to get all-round development among the students. When I was working at MP UP School Timbarajpeta during 1995 to 2002, mobilized the society and developed infrastructure like toilets to the students, electrified the rooms, provided fans, lights, benches for the students by villagers. NRI Sri K. Rambhadra Rao constructed one classroom in 2002. Students actively participated in Janmabhoomi, Clean and Green activities, and also many students supported in Akshar Sankranti program and caused to literate 150 women in this program. Students also collected donations nearly 3000 rupees and contributed to Gujarat earthquake affected persons in 2000. When I was working at MP UP School Kottakoduru during 2002 to 2009, I mobilized the society and developed the infrastructure like provided toilets to the students, provided 20 benches for the students, electrified and provided TV, dish to conduct audio-visual classes in 2005. Also mobilized the parents and they donated fans, tube lights and 150 plates to the students for MDM program. In 2005, SMC chairman donated 2 cents place to construct building under SSA scheme. And another SMC chairman donated school uniforms to 130 students in 2007. The most important infrastructure is in 2005, I identified that most of the students are very passive and irregular to the schools. I personally interacted with parents and identified that students are suffering from vitamin deficiency. The most important infrastructure is good health of the student. Without good health of the student, nothing infrastructure helps us to develop student education. As a headmaster, to overcome this task with the support of my colleagues and parents, I planned to provide nutrition food like sprout, fruit, carrot, milk, egg to the students every day throughout the year. The cost for each student to provide nutrition food throughout the year is 150 rupees for each student. Myself, teachers and parents contributed nearly 12,000 rupees and implemented this program on every day throughout the year. This program helped to maintain good health among the students. After that, the students themselves changed their food habits completely, avoided fast food, and also they educated their parents. After that, I established an organization, Spandinche Hridayam Charitable Trust, with the support of retired and working teachers, parents, and old students, and provided nutrition food in many schools in Visakhapatnam rural. As a responsible teacher and founder of that organization, nearly provided nutrition food to 2000 students every day in 10 to 15 schools during the year 2006-7, 7-8 and still continue this program in our district. It increases average attendance, learning abilities, enrollment, good health and also reduce dropout in many areas in Vishaka rural. When I was working at ZPS School Monopaka during 2009 to 2017, mobilized the society and developed the infrastructure like provided 70 long benches by RECS Kasinkota in 2012 and provided mineral water to the students by a retired teacher in 2013 and SBI Monopaka donated tube lights, fans and charging lights. In 2016, Steel Plant of Visakhapatnam provided 6 systems and inverter to develop computer education among the students. As a founder of Spandinche Udayam Charitable Trust, provided LCD projector and conducted digital classes to develop mathematical concepts among the students during 2010 onwards. Also conducted these classes in surrounding schools with the support of retired teachers. As a responsible teacher and founder of Spandinche Udayam Charitable Trust, myself and my colleagues contributing 5 to 10% of our salary and conducting following activities among thousands of students in Vishaka rural area since 2010. Provided nutrition food to the students selected schools by the contribution of teachers, myself, parents and villagers provided nutrition food nearly 2000 students in 20 schools every year in Vishaka rural since 2009 onwards. It develops average attendance, enrollment, good health, learning abilities among thousands of students in every year. National means cum merit scholarship free coaching. Conducting NMMS free coaching for 500 students at Monopaka and Kasinkota as centers since 2010 after school hours and on holidays. Also provided nutrition food to the students in the evening classes. These classes supported them for their higher education and 80 to 100 students are getting to select in NMMS scholarships every year since 2010. Also conducting NMMS, SSC and Polyset model tests to create self-confidence among the students since 2010 every year. Conducting motivation classes. Conducting motivation classes to avoid fear, indiscipline and also to create attention, motivation among thousands of students by a motivational trainer in nearly 40 schools, Vishaka rural since 2010. Encouraging girl-child education. To encourage girl-child education, providing scholarships to the needy 20 students and encouraging their higher studies. Many girl-child completed their studies and settled in their life. This program is helping to eradicate girl-child dropout in our area. Screen documentary and free film shows. Screening documentary and free film shows in government schools to create national integration, social awareness, values among thousands of students in Vishaka rural since 2010. I am motivating the retired teachers and retired teachers are doing good service to conduct this program. Eco-friendly programs. Encouraging the students to participate in plantation program. Conducting awareness camps, rallies to create social awareness on eco-friendly programs like plantation, water harvesting kits and to avoid plastic bags and POP adults since 2010. Created awareness nearly 10,000 students in every year. Conducting special day celebrations. Conducting special days like Mother's Day, National Leader Jayanti and national festivals to create national build and social awareness among thousands of students. Bharat Scouts. The three promises of the Scout vote are duty to God and country, duty to other people, and duty to self. As a scout teacher, I am trying to inculcate above three and social awareness among the students. Conducting scout once in a week and created awareness among the scouts to prevent from diseases, to help others, and to create self-confidence among the students. Students actively participated in medical camps, thinking day celebrations, and in environmental programs also. Many students got Pradhama, Dvitiya, and Tritiya certificates, and two students got Rajya Puraskar in 2010. And students also participated in 17th National Jamboree held at Bangalore from 28th December 2016 to 5th January 2017. Excursions. Students can get social awareness in excursions. I encourage the students to visit zoo, post office, bank to create awareness. 10th one is cultural events. Encourages the students to participate in playlets and traditional cultural events to create social awareness among the students. And social work. Many students collected fund in 2001 and contributed to Gujarat affected area by MPUP school Temrajpeta. And students actively participated in Pulse Polio, medical camps, Janmabhoomi, Clean and Green, and Akshar Sankranti, Neelam, and Hudhud Tufan affected areas. And ZP School Vedurupatti from 2017 to till date as a Rotarian motivated Rotary Club and provided LCD projector and RO water plant by Rotary Club Anakapalli. As a social responsibility, our student contributed fund and donated to Rotary Club to support eye camps in 2018. As a responsible teacher, scout teacher, NGC teacher, and as a founder of Spandinche Urdu Charitable Trust, I tried my level best and mobilized the society and contributed it on infrastructure of the school. I also tried my level best and spreaded social awareness among thousands of students in our district since 2005.